Can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh?
You say good morning?
What do you want me to put inside of it?
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
Bailey, are you sad? No? You are adopted.
Did you know that my name is Ryan?
You say, whoa!
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
My name's Taylor.